So this morning I'm headed up the Picklesimer Rockhouse Falls Trail in the Blue Valley Experimental Forest. This is an easy trail, 1.1 miles out and back to a waterfall, obviously, hence the name. And we're gonna go check it out, see what it looks like, and give it a rating at the end. So follow along. Alright, so that was a pretty good trail. Ended up being 1.36 miles according to all trails and 212 feet of elevation gain. So again, pretty easy trail, be great for family or warm up or anything like that. I'm gonna give it a 6.5 just because the waterfall, there wasn't a whole lot going on there. I've seen nicer waterfalls, but it gets the 6.5 because it was such a short trail. So, you know, go out there, see a waterfall real quick, come back, go see the next one kind of deal. So that's not a bad score, but 6.5, the Picklesimer Falls Trail. Check out this video for the next trail.